Okay, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help show you the colours. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, go for a tour around the parcel. These are, as they've just come out of the bag, they haven't been set up. Basically just to give you a bit more of the idea of size. Pieces like this, lighter material, this big piece in the middle here. Doesn't look like it's got a lot of colour in it, but don't give it up. Make sure you always cut through it. Sometimes, as I was saying in some of the other videos, when you break it open it has the black kernels inside, but also you can have the black with the colour, or you can just have pockets of colour sometimes, but there's no guarantee on that. It's just what can happen. Electric greens in that piece. Looks like a little blue stone perhaps in the middle there. That's what I was just talking about. There's the black on the outside. You wouldn't think there's anything in there. It's been broken open, or that's where it's broken for some reason. And there you can see black base in the centre, kernel, and there's the colour on the top. Over here, can't see that it's there. Around there you can't see. There's a little indication there. Dark purples, have a nice purple piece there, lighter material, it's almost porcelain, that piece, not much colour. Quite often just throw bits in, it doesn't add to the price, but I'd rather see it go to someone that wants to have a go and cut it up. Perhaps you might find something in the middle, but there's no guarantees. If you do find something, it's a bonus. Something like this, I'd just grind the top of it off, face it up so you've got that blue and grey pattern rather than try to chase the colour bar. It's a bit too sort of mixed up and swirled. Not much. Colour goes back in here. Anyway, there's still a lot more pieces there to look at. I think you get an idea of what you're looking at for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.